What if your car has hidden features you've never noticed? Most drivers use their cars every day, but they miss incredible tricks hidden in plain sight. Some of these features can save you money, improve your safety, and even make driving much easier. Today on Hidden World, we're revealing 10 car secrets every driver should know. Let's get started. Secret number 1, the fuel gauge arrow. Have you ever pulled into a gas station and suddenly realized you don't know which side your fuel cap is on? It happens more often than you think, especially if you're driving a rental car or a new vehicle. Luckily, your car has a hidden clue that most drivers never notice. Just look at your fuel gauge. Next to the fuel pump icon, you'll usually see a small arrow. That arrow points to the exact side where your fuel cap is located. It may seem like a tiny detail, but it can save you time, avoid awkward moments at the gas station, and make every refuel much easier. Millions of drivers never notice this simple trick, even after years of driving. Once you know it, you'll never forget it. Secret number 2. Open all your windows with your key fob. Have you ever walked back to your car on a hot summer day and found it unbearably hot inside? Most drivers immediately open the door and wait for the heat to escape. But many modern cars have a hidden feature that can cool the cabin before you even get in. Simply press and hold the unlock button on your key fob. On many vehicles, all the windows will automatically roll down. In just a few seconds, the hot air escapes, making the inside much more comfortable. It's a simple trick that many drivers never discover, even though they've been carrying the key in their pocket for years. Secret number 3. Your sun visor does more than you think. Have you ever been driving early in the morning or late in the afternoon when the sun shines directly into your eyes? Most drivers simply flip down the sun visor, but that doesn't always block the light coming from the side. Here's the hidden trick. On most cars, the sun visor can be unclipped and swung toward the side window. Here's the hidden trick. On most cars, the sun visor can be unclipped and swung toward the side window. This blocks the sunlight from the driver's side and makes driving much safer and more comfortable. It's such a simple feature, yet millions of people never use it because they don't know it exists. The next time the sun gets in your way, you'll know exactly what to do. Secret number 4. Don't turn the engine off immediately. Here's a mistake that many drivers make without even realizing it. After a long drive, especially on the highway, many people park their car and immediately turn off the engine. But if your vehicle has a turbocharged engine, this habit can shorten the life of the turbo. Letting the engine idle for just 30 to 60 seconds allows the oil to keep circulating and helps cool the turbo down properly. This simple habit can improve the engine's lifespan and help you avoid expensive repairs in the future. It only takes a few seconds, but it can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. Secret number 5. Never rest your hand on the gear lever. Here's a driving habit that could slowly damage your car without you even realizing it. Many drivers like to rest one hand on the gear lever while driving, especially during long trips. Although it feels comfortable, doing this puts constant pressure on the transmission's internal components. Over time, that unnecessary pressure can increase wear and lead to expensive repairs. Professional mechanics recommend keeping both hands on the steering wheel and only touching the gear lever when changing gears. It's a small habit that improves your driving safety and can also help your transmission last much longer. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference. Secret number 6. The hidden seatbelt adjuster. Many drivers don't realize that their seatbelt has a hidden adjustment that can make every trip safer and more comfortable. On most cars, the upper seatbelt anchor can be moved up or down to better fit your height. If the belt rubs against your neck, lowering or raising the anchor can position it correctly across your shoulder. A properly adjusted seatbelt not only feels better, but it also provides better protection in the event of an accident. Surprisingly, many people drive for years without ever changing this setting. It only takes a few seconds to adjust, but it can make a big difference in both comfort and safety every time you get behind the wheel. Secret number 7. The anti-fog button you're probably using wrong. Have you ever struggled with foggy windows while driving? Most people immediately turn on the air conditioning or wipe the glass with their hand, but there's a much faster solution. Your car already has a built-in defogging system designed to clear the windshield in just a few moments. Simply press the front defrost button and the system automatically directs warm, dry air toward the windshield to remove the condensation. In many modern cars, it even activates the air conditioning automatically because dry air removes moisture much faster than warm air alone. Using the correct button not only improves visibility but also makes driving much safer during cold or rainy weather. It's a feature every car has, yet many drivers never learn how to use it properly. Secret number 8. The mirror adjustment trick that eliminates blind spots. Most drivers unknowingly adjust their side mirrors the wrong way. They position them so they can see the sides of their own car. But that's actually not the safest setup. Instead, your side mirrors should be adjusted slightly farther outward. This greatly reduces blind spots and allows you to see vehicles much sooner as they move into the next lane. With the mirrors adjusted correctly, a car should smoothly move from your rearview mirror into your side mirror and then directly into your peripheral vision without disappearing. It only takes a few seconds to adjust them, but this simple trick can make lane changes much safer and help prevent accidents. Sometimes a tiny adjustment can make a huge difference every time you drive. Secret number 9. Your car has a hidden emergency key. Here's a secret that could save you one day. Most modern cars with keyless entry actually hide a physical emergency key inside the key fob. If your key's battery dies or your car battery is completely flat, you can still unlock the driver's door manually. Many people panic when their smart key suddenly stops working without realizing the solution has been in their hand the whole time. On most key fobs, there's a small release button that allows you to slide out the hidden metal key in just a few seconds. Knowing this simple trick could save you from being locked out of your own car when you least expect it. Sometimes the smartest feature is the one you never notice until you really need it. Thanks for watching Hidden World. Which of these car secrets surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next discoveries. See you in the next video.